Core advantages of heat staking/thermal welding in cooler manufacturing. 1. Superior structural integrity. Creates a molecular level bond between the liner, shell, and lid instead of weak mechanical snap fits. Significantly boosts drop and torsional resistance under high impact conditions. 2. Clean assembly, zero contaminants. Eliminates adhesives, glues, and solvents entirely. Prevents adhesive degradation or odors, ensuring strict food grade compliance. 3. Highly consistent sealing. Delivers uniform joint quality independent of manual assembly force or screw torque. Minimizes leakage and structural loosening risks for long-term reliability. 4. High automation compatibility. Integrates easily with multi-tip thermal systems for simultaneous multi-point staking. Ensures stable cycle times and high yields for high-volume production. 5. Aesthetic integrity. Staking joints are hidden internally or within decorative boundaries. Leaves visible surfaces flawless, supporting high-end consumer product aesthetics. 6. Optimized cost to performance. Requires lower mold complexity in capex than ultrasonic welding or intricate interlocking designs. Lowers production costs while maximizing field reliability.